I have a Briggs and Stratton 6250 generator. I shut it down after flames were shooting out of the exhaust, let it rest and cannot get it to start back up.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Briggs and Stratton generator? How old is it?
It is brand new.
How long has this been going on with your Briggs and Stratton generator? What have you tried so far?
It was my first use, I just bought it.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
There is snow on the ground, I don't know if that will affect the engine.
Hello, my name is. I would like to assist you with this. If you had flames shooting out the exhaust, there are only two possibilities. Either the exhaust valve is burnt, or more likely the carburetor is bad and is overfueling the engine. Unburnt fuel would get blown into the muffler, where it will build up until it ignites. This is a very dangerous situation. Since the unit is brand new, your best option is to either take it back to where you purchased it and have it repaired or exchanged, or to get it to an authorized B&S service center.
Is it possible I flooded the carburetor and need to drain it? Because I manually turned it off, it didn't shut down on its own. Can I start it with a burnt exhaust valve?
If the problem is the carb, draining it will not fix it. An overfueling carb is due to a float being stuck, or debris clogging the float needle and not allowing it to shut off the flow of fuel when the bowl is full. Turning off the fuel valve will not stop the engine immediately. It may run for 2 to 3 minutes after closing the valve. The best way to shut off a generator is to use the shut-off switch. The carb is by far the most likely cause of your issue. The valve is a possibility, but a very slim one. If you attempt to do anything to the valves, you will be voiding your warranty.
If I did flood the carb, draining it would void the warranty? My last generator was a 1979 Home Light, and I would have to drain the carb if it flooded. When I try to crank the generator, I smell fuel but nothing happens.
Draining a carb would not void the warranty. If you smell a lot of fuel, you likely have the cylinder flooded. Pull the spark plug and check it. If it is wet with gas, dry it off. With the plug out, crank the engine a couple of times to blow out any fuel that may be trapped in the cylinder. Then you can put the plug back in and try it.
I will try that now, thank you.
You're welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.